Planning to discover the beauty of Reggio Calabria, but don't want to carry your luggage around? RadicalStorage offers a secure and quick solution to store your bags while you explore the city freely. In this guide, we'll show you how to use RadicalStorage, a trusted platform that partners with local businesses in Reggio Calabria such as hotels, shops, and cafes to provide fully insured, secure luggage storage options. To avoid phishing sites, use the link provided in the guide to access the official RadicalStorage website. Once there, simply enter Reggio Calabria in the search bar, and you'll get a list of available storage points around the city. Pick the location that suits you best, whether it's near key tourist attractions, transportation hubs, or central Reggio Calabria. Choose your preferred drop-off and pickup times, proceed to the payment, and rest assured that RadicalStorage offers secure online transactions. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to your chosen storage point. Upon arriving at the location, present your reference number to the staff, and they will safely store your bags for you. Now you can explore Reggio Calabria without the hassle of luggage, knowing your items are secure with RadicalStorage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.